Hi friends, welcome back to SeekaHost India YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to install Git in Windows and push the files to repository. Without making any further delay, let's roll out the intro and get into the video. First, we are going to see how to install and configure the Git in Windows. As a first step, go to the browser and search the website named gitforwindows.org. You can also find this website link in the description. Here, click on the download button and download this application. Once the application is downloaded, click and open it to install the application in your Windows. While installing the Git, don't change any settings, leave everything as it is and proceed with the installation by clicking the next option or continue option. Once the installation is completed, click on the finish option and close this window. Now open the command prompt on your Windows computer. Now on the command prompt, enter the command that you are seeing in this screen. If Git is installed correctly, you will see the installed version. You can find this command on the description. Now open the browser and search for GitHub and log into a GitHub account. On the GitHub dashboard, right side top corner, you can see the option named profile name. If you click it, you can see the username of this GitHub account. On the same menu bar, you can see the settings option. Click and open the settings. On the left side of this page, you can see the option named emails. Click and open it. On the email option, you can see your registered email ID. Once you have noted these two details, open the command prompt. Next, let's configure Git with your GitHub account. Run the following commands one by one with your username and user email. This sets your GitHub username and email for all future repositories on your system. To check the enter details, enter the global list command on the command prompt. You can see the command on the screen. Also, you can find all the commands in the description. Now, let's see how to create the GitHub repository and push the code from the Windows. Go to the GitHub dashboard and click on the new option on the left side to create a new repository. Here, enter your repository name and now scroll down and click on the create repository button. And now you can see that the repository has been successfully created. Now go to the folder that contains the files you want to push to your GitHub repository. Now right click anywhere inside the folder and select the open in terminal option to open the terminal. Now let's push your first repository to GitHub. Enter the commands that you are seeing in the screen one by one. The first command is git init. It is for initialize the Git. And the second command is git add dot. It will add all your project files. Now let's enter the third command git commit to create your first commit. Now enter the git branch command to rename the branch from default to main. Now enter the git remote add origin command along with your repository name. For the repository name, go to the same GitHub page and copy the repository name that you are seeing in this screen. Now come back to the command page and enter the GitHub repo name and click on the enter button. And now enter the git push command to push your project to the GitHub. Once you enter the command, a small pop-up window will appear. Click on the sign in with browser button. Now you will be redirected to the browser to authorize the Git credential manager. Here click on the authorize Git ecosystem to connect the GitHub. That's it, your project is connected to GitHub and ready for the future updates. Now if you want to push the files to the GitHub after making some changes on the file manager, to push the new files, open the terminal and enter the command git init, git add and git commit and finally git push command. After pushing files to the GitHub, go to the GitHub repository page and refresh it. You can see the changes there. And now if you click on the commit option, you can see the recent commits that has been made to this repo. That's all friends, I hope this video is helpful.
If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. For the instant updates about the video, please press the bell icon.